this is how to make an ice cream sundae out of rainbow loom. So first we are going to take, so this is one of my examples. It is a really cool little figure. So let's get started. First you have a little red arrow at the top if you're using rainbow loom. You're going to go with one rubber band down. Okay. For the rest of this project, we're going to be using double rubber bands. And so this is for the cherry part. We're going to take two reds and put it straight down in the middle row. So it looks just like that. Now we are going to go with double white because we are using double rubber bands for the rest of this project now. We are going to take the two whites and go diagonally from the center to the right peg from the end of the cherry, and then to the left. So it should look like this now. So one rubber band here, two rubber bands, two rubber bands, and two rubber bands. Alright, next we are going to go down 2 times on the right side. Just 2. And then go down 2 times on the left side. Alright, now go down 3 times in the middle, because then the ice cream is all the same. Alright, and so now we are going to do pink for the ice cream, or you can use brown. But if you want the ice cream to blend in with your whipped cream, that's fine. I just don't like doing that. So now we're going to go down 2 times on the right side for the ice cream. Then 2 times down on the left side for the ice cream. Hold on 1 second, I gotta fix this rubber band. Okay. And so now you go down 2 times in the middle with pink for the ice cream, or chocolate, or brown for chocolate. But I just like to use pink because it kind of shows the sundae more. Alright, now we're going to use black. This black part is for the bowl. I'm using black because I don't have any more blue with me. So go down 3 times on the right side. And then 3 times down on the left side. Once you go down 3 times on both sides, 3 times down on both sides, go down in the middle 2 times. One and 2. Alright, now take 2 blacks. Sorry. So now it should look like this, actually. And so now you are going to go from the right peg to the center, the bottom, and then from the left peg to the center and the bottom. So now it should look like that, with a little gap in the middle right here. Alright, now that we're going to take care of that gap part. Take 2 black rubber bands and go straight from the middle peg to the last peg, so the gap kind of covers up. Now we are going to be doing the bowl, or like the cap band part. Oh wait, sorry, actually we're going to be doing something else really quick. We are going to make like these sides on the sundae right here. And so it goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna go down 1. Actually, we're gonna go down right here. Or we'll do this anyway. We'll go down on the cap band like that. 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Then take 2 blacks and put it on the end of your hook. So it looks like this. Now take this part and put it up on top of that part, like on top of your hook, and put the whole thing over it. So that'll be the cap band, and that'll be the rubber band, and so like the rubber band to connect it all. And now put it like that, so it's two things right here, and then the cap band. And let me check again how many to put. So 3. So then you're gonna do that 2 more times, except no cap band. Just put 2 rubber bands on the end of your hook, like that, and then put it on like that, and then slide this down, slide this on, and then do that 1 more time. So that'll be one of the handle parts, and I will show you where to put that right now once I finish this one. So you are going to put that on the left side. There are 2 pinks, 1, 2, and then there's the black. Put it on the pink and the black, so like right where the black starts, put it right there. Then make another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cap band it 5 times like that. Take 2 rubber bands and put it on the end of your hook. Once you put it on the end of your hook, slide up the cap band onto that. And then once you slide up the cap band, do the exact same thing you did with the other one. You will do that. So one right there, like right here. And then we will put 2 more on the end of our hooks. And so like that. So like this, right? And slide this on it. So that will be 2. Make 1 more of those, or like put 2 more rubber bands on, like double rubber bands. And once you put 2 more rubber bands on, put it on the right side, exactly across from where you put the left one on. And I'll show you where to put that in 1 second. Let me show you right now. Alright. So then there's 2 pinks on the right side, and then the black starts. Put it right where the black starts, so it's like on the pink and the black. There you go. And then once you have done that, we'll take a black rubber band and cap band it right here 2 times. Alright, now take a black, or 1 single rubber band, or whatever color you're using for the bowl part, and put 1, so it's triangle shapes. We're going to make 3 of those for the black part, and I'll show you what that looks like. 3 triangles, and then you're going to do 1 with pink, right in the middle of the pinks. So it looks like that. 1 right here above like these. And then we're gonna do 1 in the white. And we're gonna do 3 in the white. Let me get some more white. Hold on. No, so we'll do 1 more white. So like that. So it looks like that. Now if your loom doesn't look like mine does right now, then you did something wrong. So let's loom. Take your hook and go under the cap band right here on the end, and grab the first 2 rubber bands onto, and then hook them onto itself. And then do that. I'll show you how this looks like once I finish these 2. And then take the first 2 rubber bands right here and loop it onto itself. And so do the next one, which should be the last one, and you would have 2 rubber bands for every one. So it makes 3 teardrop shapes right here, and then the cap band's sort of like a circle. And so now go in the middle and loop it up 1 time, or 2 times until the pink. So it starts like that, and then there's 3 in the middle. So now we're going to do the sides. Go in the sides part, like the side part, and take this rubber band on the right side, and and loop it onto itself. And then take the next one and loop it onto itself. And then take the next one and loop it onto itself. So you should do 3 on the sides. And then do the same thing on the left side. Alright, hold on 1 second. Okay, once you've done that on all sides, left, right, and middle, we'll be looping the pink part, which would be the ice cream part. The ice cream part is one of the easiest, because all you have to do is two rubber bands for every side. So loop up the middle, just regularly, and then loop up the side. So go under like this part right there, this little, like the handle part, and then loop it up, and then loop it up again. So it looks really cool once you're done this creation, and you can use it and tape it onto things, and then label it and tape it on, and tack it onto your wall, or tape it onto your wall, or you can keep on putting them on bracelets, keychains, necklaces, or on like backpack zippers. Now we'll loop the white part. Loop the middle regularly, and then if you know how to loom the sides, and if you don't, I'm going to show you right now. Don't loop the red part, because the red part is a little different. Okay, so go under that white one and grab this part. So basically, the white part is all that you did for the pink part and the black part. So you just loom the white part up, and then this part's a little easy. Well, it's really easy, but so once you loom that up, we're going to go under the right peg on the very top that has a rubber band on it, loop it up and into the middle peg, and then the left side. So I'll show you what that looks like right now. So now it should look like that. White all done, pink all done, and black all done. So it goes like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 on each side, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the sides. And so now, since that's all loomed, we're gonna do the cherry part, the red part. Go under all this white, and if you use white for the whipped cream, and go under and grab the 2 red rubber bands. Alright, so now it should look like that with 1 rubber band left. And it shouldn't be double, it should only be single, which means 1 rubber band. Loop it up, but then now turn your loom and take the bottom red rubber band, the single one, and take it off the loom and just drop it. So now it should look like that. Right there. And like that. Okay, so now take this single rubber band and pull it a little bit. And then you can leave it off that loom. And then now here comes the easy part. You just loop it up or take it off the loom. I like using my hook, because if you don't use your hook, usually it'll break or fall apart or burst. And so it's easier with the hook, or your fingers will do good too. But sometimes they break when you use your fingers, unless you have a lot of rubber bands there. But if you're like the sides of the bowl, you can just take off with your fingers. Unless you want to use your hook, that's okay too. Or you can use your fingers for the whole thing, or you can use your hook. Okay, so now I'm at my white part, and I can just rip that off with my fingers because I know how. There we go. Alright, so here's my sundae. You might have to pull and fix your bed a little bit, and your white. So you push it in a little bit, and so then you should be done your ice cream sundae. And so thanks for watching my videos. I hope you watch some. I hope you watch some other ones of my videos too. Now I can hang them both on keychains. Bye guys.